Using nested if in range of age. If invalid age, child, teenager, adult, senior citizen. Child is 0 to 12. 13 to 19 is teenager, adult 20 to 64, and senior citizen. Let's try. Let's try 20. It is adult. Yeah. Let's try 13. Teenager. Let's try again. 10. Child. Grading system using switch. If it is A, B, C, D, F. Let's try. Let's try 70. C. Let's try again. 20. F. And that is it. BMI in nested if. 18.5 is underweight, 25.0 is normal weight, 30.0 overweight, 35.0 obese class, 40.0 obese class 2, obese class 3. Let's run. Like 50. Lagyan natin 160. Oh, ay gumana. Is ulit run. 70. 1.5 na lang. 31.1. Ganun. Ulit. Run. Like 65. Try natin 1.2. Obese class 3. Yun. That is all.